of these smiley faces. I think you got your breakfast. Strawberry, grapes, apple, cucumber, even add this to your lunch and dinner. So,
Please start walking.
Wait a minute.
Please look.
I got a friend. Go.
Good morning, parents. Here we have Dr. Abeer, and she will tell us about today's assembly and about the breast care cancer awareness we have organized at the school today.
I am a pediatric consultant at Emirates Hospital. Today I had the pleasure to meet all your kids, and they were cheerful, they were energetic, and we have a little talk about their eating habits. This is a very important subject that we need always to raise for the kids and for the parents. Because what we are seeing right now, a lot of kids are becoming overweight or becoming obese, and we are not trying to make these kids focus specifically on obesity or overweight. We try as much as possible to guide them to have a more healthy lifestyle, and very big part of it is about healthy eating habits. We talked about them having more vegetables and fruits, less sugary drinks, more water, and on top of that to have their breakfast as the most important meal in the morning, because kids who have breakfast tend to have more energy, they tend to do better at school, and they eat more healthy during the daytime. There are a few more tips we can talk about to promote healthy lifestyle. One is to increase physical activity for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day, and to make sure kids are staying away from TV and electronic screen as much as possible, and to limit it to 2 hours or less. And the third thing is to have good sleep at night. This will have them a better healthy lifestyle and will protect them in the future from having obesity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.